I'm Gina from Embroidery Zone, and if you're like me and you're making masks and have not been able to find elastic anywhere, I've come up with a way that you can make your own elastic. I'm so excited to share this with you. Let me show you what I came up with. So I was searching through my stash of fabric and notions and remembered that I had this bathing suit material from many years ago that is super stretchy, and it has two-way stretch. So what I did was I took the side that has the most stretch, which is this way, and I cut 1.5-inch strips of that. Fast turn tool from many years ago, which looks like this. It's a tube turner. I'll show you how that works in a second. I was able to make this super stretchy tie, elastic tie for my face masks. And I really think it's going to be even better than elastic because it's soft. It'll be easy to sew through. And I'm telling you, I have yards and yards and yards of this stuff. I also have it in white. I'm going to be able to make enough elastic forever. So follow along and I'll show you how that works. So I took my 1.5-inch strips and I folded them right sides together. So I'm using this setting on my machine. It's called Super Stretch Stitch. It kind of goes back and forth. And it's just the width of my presser foot, but I'm moving the needle position over a little bit to the right because it's so narrow. I want to get as narrow of a strip as I possibly can. I didn't do any pressing on this one. I just kind of folded it over. Get an awful lot of movement there. If you have any tips for me to stop this from curling, trying not to pull it too much. Trim off the selvage edge there so it'll be easier to pull through the tube turner.
So here's probably enough to make 4 or 5 masks. Not ever about 7-inch strips, maybe 3.
Okay, then is this in this shot? Yeah. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. You don't need to see that. Okay. Now, basically, you just take that tube, stick it over there, over the tube turner. Put the little, it's really hard to see, isn't it? Here we go. It's got a little curly Q on the end. Just going to put that through the tube, like so. You can see how, until you, oh, where's it? So, I'm sorry. There it is. There it is. Till you see that point sticking out. And just, you just give it a twist because it's curled. It kind of grabs onto the end. And then, okay, take 2. Just pull it through the tube like so till it comes out the other end. There you go. Look at that stretchy tie. It's got super stretch. I hope that helps.